Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of the best landing page builder for WordPress. You're going to be able to get 60% off of this particular landing page builder that I'm particularly using on my website. And I've been using it for a while now, so I decided to do a quick review. So if you want 60% off, it's a limited time. Links directly below. Take advantage of it. But the product I'm going to be doing a review of is called Seedprod. And I'm going to show you what that is real quick. And here's the link. Summer sale, 60% off. And these are the plans here. The basic plan is only $31 for the whole year. Plus plans only less than $80 a year. Then you got a pro plan and an elite plan. Most people will be fine with these two. It just depends on what you need. But there's different options, obviously, for whatever you get. Now let me get into the review of this. Show me this. I'll show you the actual tool so you can see if it's something that you'd be interested in. We're going to go over to my website right now, jaysonlinereviews.com. And now I'm inside the website. We're going to go over to Seedprod. This is it right here. You got landing pages, theme builder, subscriber settings. They got a pop-up builder here. You can't use that. This is a heads up right now unless you pay. The people that own Seedprod also own Opt-in Monster. It's expensive. So just to give you a heads up. So you cannot, unless you pay for Opt-in Monster, you're not going to get that as well. They might have a deal on it if you need it. Feel free. I used to have Opt-in Monster. It's a good plugin, but it's expensive. So just giving you a heads up. What I do is I use GetResponse, which I did a video on GetResponse for my email service provider. They've been around since the 90s, and they have a good pop-up builder inside the site. They also have landing pages too, but they're not as good as Seedprod. Seedprod's a really good landing page, and it's a good deal, so that's why I use it. But you also will have those on GetResponse as well, but like I said, not as good as Seedprod. And okay, with that being said, you got settings, pop-ups, custom code, growth tools, about us, request a feature. So what I'm going to be going here is the landing page feature and show you quickly how to use the landing pages. And I'm going to show you a couple that I have built here. This is on my main site. I'll show you right now. This is my main opt-in. Instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI. Free PDF to the top tools. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. And I'm not going to read through all of it. These are all the bullet points. If you need this book, right here, good PDF. And I show you like the top tools to create awesome YouTube videos. So to get you more views and all that good stuff. Views, subscribers, and sales. To make you look more professional. And to make your job a little easier. We're going to go back here. I'm going to show you my another page I created with this tool. I've actually created a bunch of them. But a lot of them are kind of similar for my landing page. New page ID. But these are all... Let's see this one. Can't remember if I have one on that one or not. Okay, we're going to go back. We'll try this one real quick. And this is pretty similar to my main one. A little bit different style. And you can animate all these. And you can make there's so many options. It's really, like I said, it's worth the money. It's cool. And another opt-in form here. This was all created with Seedprod. We're going to go back here. Now I'm going to show you how to, the best of my ability, how to use this tool. We're going to go into landing pages. Okay, we're already here right now. And we're going to click on add new landing page. Here's the templates. You got the simple coming soon page, maintenance page, rocket coming soon page. Thank you pages. You got ones for fitness. There's a fitness one. Personal links. Jeans. City page. E-com, computer, food, bikes. Black Friday squeeze page. Solopreneur. Podcast. Wellness. Coffee. Welding. Video squeeze page. Influencer squeeze page. Planet. Lead squeeze page. As you can see as I'm scrolling through here, day trader, course sales page. There's just a ton of them. I don't want to go through all of them. I'm going to scroll through. You can kind of kind of glance at the screen here, you can see what they got going on. Because it'll take me forever to sit here and read them all off. Black Friday. So you got a ton of different options for squeeze pages. So I'm sure you can find some that you're looking for that'll fit whatever it is you're trying to market or sell. And then we're going to see some more options here. You got a coming soon page. You got a webinar page, sales, lead squeeze, thank you. And it gives you different categories. And then you can also search templates right here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to just use one of these pre-made ones. Because I just want to give you a general idea of what this can do. And then you can decide for yourself if you feel like this is a good fit for you and your business without wasting too much of your time. Because it's not hard to use. You just got to play around with it a little bit. It's pretty easy. We'll use this jeans page. Let's do this. Now you can name the page name. Best jeans of 2024. Save and start editing the page. Now you see you got your butt model over here with the jeans on. It's got Seedprod. You can get rid of that. And then there's the options for that. Move block, block settings, save block, duplicate block, or delete the block. You just hover onto whatever you want to do. Click your mouse and it comes up right here. You can get rid of that text, add new text, delete it, whatever you want to do. And then your email here. Like I said, I use GetResponse. But whoever you use, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to do that as well. You want to hook up your email form right here. And you can do that into settings. And there's a connect feature right here. Let me go and do it real quick. And you got Active Campaign, Aweber, Campaign Monitor, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, MailChimp, Mad Mimi, don't know what that is, iContact, GetResponse, Drip, MooseSend, MailerLite, Sendy, Brevo, Zapier, Google Analytics, reCAPTCHA. So these are the ones that are already pre-installed, ready to go. So you just connect them, and then all the leads that you generate from your sales page obviously will go into your email list. So it's real simple. Then you got the page settings. You can show you powered by Seedprod link. You got analytics for SEO, general, all that good stuff. And then here's the design. You got a payment buttons, giveaways. Look at all these different forms. Contact form. You put your opt-in form, and all you do is hold it down and drag it over to where you want it. And it kind of, you're holding the left mouse button down, and it's going to just drag it where you want it, and it's going to come in right there. And that's where your email form would be, wherever you want it. I don't want that there, but we're going to delete it. Social profiles, social sharing. Look at that. You got this one. You can make them bigger. So you got Facebook, Twitter. See the sizes? Small, medium, large. You can align it. There's just a ton of options with this. That's why I like this tool so much. You got video pop-ups, animated headlines. These animated headlines are really cool. I'll just show you this real quick. So you can do like that, like circle comes in, highlighted, shape circle, curly, underline, double, underline zigzag, strike through, X, or you can get rid of it. Here's a rotating one. Let's do that. So whatever style you want, we're going to get rid of that. Now we're going to go back to blocks, and I want text. Type text in the box. Got it right there. Drag it over to where you want it. Click on that. I don't know what language this is in. It's definitely not English. Now we're going to delete all this. We're going to put in our title. Best jeans of 2024. Based on our extensive review. Just coming up with something off the top of my head. All right, now we're going to highlight this. We want it bold. We can do the background colors, change them here. We want that to be yellow or orange, whatever we want here. We could change it. We're going to go back to white. Insert dynamic text. We can do it advanced. Typography. You can change the typography of it. Default. All the different font families. There's a million of them. And obviously we're going to want, you can put an image in. You could do anything. It's so easy to use this tool. That's why I like it so much. And it's a good, like I said, going back to it's a good deal. Opt-in Monster, good tool, but too expensive. This one, good tool, and it's priced right. So that's why I do what I do with the landing pages on, the pop-ups from GetResponse and landing page builder with Seedprod. Works out good for me. But here we go back. What we want to do, I'm going to get rid of this because we want an actual title, like a headline. We're going to delete this. And we're going to go to headline. There's the headline one right there. Drag it over. We're going to delete this. And I'm going to show you what you can do with this. We're going to go back here. And we're going to type in what we did last time. Now it's back to this. We could change like the text color. We want it black though. I don't want to change that. I want to go, you go to advanced. If we want to change the typography, the font, we can do that. You can see here. There's so many on here. Just find out what works for you and the size and all that good stuff. You're good to go. Select the font weight. You got normal. See, it's shrink. You got bold. Font size you can adjust right here. This is the easy way to do it. Line height. You got letter spacing. Style, alignment, letter casing. You can switch here. I like the one it was at. Okay, we got that. We're good to go. We're going to go to advanced. I think we're already on advanced. So we're going to go over to content. And text shadow. This is really cool right here. This is what I was looking for. You got none, hairline, small, medium, large, extra large, 2x large, custom. Watch what it does up here in your, how it switches. You got a nice professional shadow. I like doing this on my headlines and everything. It just looks better. Looks cleaner. Stands out more. And I usually end up going with extra large or between large and 2x large. So find one you like with the perfect text shadow. I'm going to go with that one. And you're good to go. We're going to go back to content. Hit this, the leaf, to go back. We're going to get rid of where it says headline. So all of our different widgets pop up. Testimonials, icon, image box, before and after. Pricing table. Star ratings, short codes, Google Maps, search form, Facebook like. As you can see, I'm going through all these. Twitter, you can add your Twitter follow button. Business hours, post, alert, hotspot, push notifications, counter. You got WooCommerce, easy digital downloads, more widgets, save blocks. If you can't find a widget on here, you just go to search blocks and you can be able to find it. You got sections. Well, basically, all it is drag and drop. You just hit save when you want to save it, and it's going to save it for you. And then you have a preview tab. You can see it before you publish it. And it's so easy to use. So as soon as you get this, like I said, the connect button set up with whatever email service provider you're using, it's all drag and drop, easy to go. Pull, drag it to where you want it. Countdown, drag it to where you want it. Goes with everything here. Testimonials. Drag it to where you want it. Edit it how you want it. So easy to use this tool. I don't think there's anything else I could really show you. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this tool. Like I said, Seedprod, they're offering 60% off. I seen that deal, and I was like, I'm going to make a quick video on it because I know it ain't going to last forever. It's a good price. And if you're using WordPress, you're looking for a good landing page builder. And this can also build whole websites with it too, as well. And then you got to get one of the higher plans. But that's also an option as well, where you can build whole websites with this tool as well, which is cool. I don't use it for that. I'm just using it for landing pages, but obviously you can use it for whatever you want to use it for. So let me show you, end this video on, we're going to go to, that's the pricing page, as you can see right now. $31.60, $80 for the plus plan. You're going to get 3 sites, 100 pro templates. You can see 2 million stock photos. Oh, you get free stock photos, which is nice. This one comes with the 5 sites, 300 pro templates. Where this one's got 100. This is the one I got right here. So if you got this one, and it's not that much, it's only $160 for the whole year. You're saving 60%. It's normally like 400 and something, $400 or so. And this is all the stuff it comes with. And this one's for 100 sites. If you're running a big business, a lot of websites, you might want to look into this one. And you get even a few more options. But like I said, I'm just using this one, and I'm happy with it. But get whatever you want. So, but 2 thumbs up for Seedprod. Good tool. Easy to use. Priced right. And I think you'd be very happy with it. So if you want to check it out for yourself, links directly below. Thanks for watching this video. If you could hit the like button, I'd really appreciate it. And if you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, that would be great. I'd appreciate that as well. If you have any questions about Seedprod, feel free to add something in the comments section below, and I will answer them ASAP. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.